All right, so I'm back again with another breakdown video. I took this trade on Thursday. This is on the MNQ, the mini Nasdaq. So what I was looking at when I took this trade is the 3 week cycle. This setup consisted of a few things: the 3 week cycle, the weekly cycle, and then the daily cycle. So right off the bat, I'm looking at how the market pushed up 3 weeks in a row. This is the first week, second week, and the third week. Right up here. So we got 3 weeks, buyers in the market. I'm gonna zoom in here. So something I was paying attention to coming into this week was the previous week. So we had a W right here at the bottom. This was a reset to continue going bullish. Off of that W, we had the same exact pattern. But instead of it being a week rise, this is a day rise. So Friday was a move up, or a rise, a day rise. Following into next week, that Monday, it was another day rise. And then Tuesday, Wednesday just kind of consolidated. And Thursday, price pushed up for another rise. So coming into the day of, which was a Thursday, I'm looking for the same exact setup, or the same exact behavior of the pushes. So come up, that's one, push up again, two, this is three here. So London created the high of the day. Put this on. See it right below, right before the London open, 2:30, we got the high today. It's already made. And so basically coming into the New York session, we had a break of structure right here. Price pulled back, broke down again, and off this little pullback, I got in, right in this area here, and I was pretty much targeting the first low of this structure that was down here, where this low sitting right here. And it did continue to push down a little more, but I pretty much just take profit right in there. There was a couple other things in here I kind of deleted already, but it was a gap. Was that the 1 hour, I think? Yeah, there we go. So right here we had a gap that pretty much price broke through, came back, turned it to an inverted gap, and then just sold off from there. Yeah, this was a nice high probability setup. And if you look at the previous 3 week cycle, it's pretty similar. So this move kind of happened. Basically, this was like 3.5 weeks. But let me turn on my days of the week. So if you look down at the bottom, we had a week of rise. Then we had another week of rise, and then the third week of rise. Coming into that third week, it was a similar behavior. Push up, another push. You got the high right here. So if I'm observing the 3 week cycle that's playing out, or that's forming, I'm automatically looking for a high of the day sale, which is also a high of the week sale. And you can see Monday, we had buyers in the market, and they accumulated kind of Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, price pushed up. to get more buyers in, and then all the liquidity they generated through the week, they just came back in one day and basically right back with Monday open. That's where the target was hit, because we still got buyers, so they gotta take the buyers out of the market that entered early in the week. So yeah, this was a pretty good setup. Anytime I see that 1, 2, 3 off a weekly cycle, then our first thing that come to my head is, okay, we probably gonna have a high today, which is also a high of the week setup. And I was looking at Dow as well, but it just wasn't. I ain't really see nothing worth taking on Dow, so that's why I went to the MNQ. Was able to identify what I needed, reacted off of what I saw, and yeah, it played out pretty good. Only thing that I didn't do that I wish I did is probably put another contract on this trade. This was a really high probability setup, but try to keep that risk management intact. But yeah, this was a nice play.